Epic EFP8800K is a one-touch push-pull main-type door lock featuring a simple design with an advanced touchpad and chrome-plated outer body. Upon purchase, the components of the product consist of the outer body, inner body, strike, screw, battery, user manual, and trace form. When installing the product, you will need a drill, 32 holes, 4mm drill blade, screwdriver. Insert the mortise cable inward with the deadbolt facing up and fix its position. According to the structure of the door, use the trace form to mark the location of the holes. Drill a hole in the marked position and drill with 32mm holes. Insert the shaft from the outside to the inside of the hole and fix it with a ring clip. Insert the cable from the outer body through the hole. Place the handle to match the shaft. Next, put the outer body cable and the mortise cable through the deco plate of the inner body, secure with a screw. Check that the product is secured in place and attach it completely with screws. Plug the front cable into place and secure the inner body with the screws. Install and fix the striker on the door frame. Close the cover after installing the battery in the inner body. Insert the mechanical key and test unlocking. Touch the default registration number 1234* and finish the operation test.